Projects can be configured to suit localized country standards, a range of industries, or requirements. The various project configuration options are grouped into tabs. The General tab controls the core project requirements, such as the languages to be used, the drawing unit system to be employed, and the date format. In addition, default settings can be set for a range of automatically generated drawings. Of course, these settings can be modified at any time during the project's realization to provide more flexibility. The Graphics tab allows users to elect if certain types of information will be shown or not, and, if displayed, their colour and style on the face of the drawings. In addition to simple graphics, it's possible to activate nodal indicators that provides a system to employ schematic wires to define the exact point-to-point component wiring. Fonts not only provide a way to customize the look of a variety of drawing annotations, but also to define formulas to control the notation content. Marks expand on the font formulas, allowing for formulas to be created to define unique numbering systems for all different numerable items in the project, from drawings to title block columns, terminals, and components. There are multiple drawing types available in SOLIDWORKS Electrical, and each can be assigned a unique title block that will be applied by default when the drawing is created. These can be changed after drawing creation or for all or only specific drawings. Manufacturer parts, library symbols and title blocks are just some of the types of data that can be grouped into libraries. These can be included or excluded from individual projects in order to reduce unnecessary data during the design process.